Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to import email addresses on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the account settings, billing, email notifications, your purchases, and the logout button. We also have as you can see, the store and all of its features and marketing on the left side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and import email addresses on Sellfy. So to do that, follow these few steps. Prepare your email list, so ensure your email addresses are in the CSV file with a single column named email. This column should contain all the email addresses you want to import. Log into Sellfy, access your Sellfy account, navigate to email marketing, so go to the marketing section and select email marketing. Import your list, click on the import option and upload your CSV file. Privacy requirements, be ready to confirm that you have permissions to contact these email addresses. This is a crucial for compliance with privacy laws. And of course, at the end, we have the approval process. Your uploaded file will be manually verified by Sellfy's team to ensure it meets their privacy requirements. This process can take up 1 to 3 business days. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one on this channel. Until then, bye guys.